Hello guys, welcome back to Digital Marketing Software channel. In this video I will guide you how to make Facebook friends automatically in bulk by UID. You can scan the list of potential customer UIDs with MKTUID software. I will give an example of scanning Facebook group members. You just need to get the UID of the group and fill it in the software. In the group member scan section, select the number of members you want to scan and click Start. This is the information I scan using MKTUID software, including group member UID, gender, profile link. Copy the UID list and go to the MKT software. Select the viral marketing section and select the automatic friend making feature. Save and set up the configuration like me. Finally, select the Facebook account you want to add as a friend and click Start. So I just guided you how to make Facebook friends automatically in bulk. Let's see the software running process. If you want to buy the software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I will leave it in the description below.